In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to video call on Fiverr. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a video meeting right from your Fiverr messages, which is perfect for quick clarifications, project kickoffs, or sharing screens to review work. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr. This is the fastest way to get to the official site if you don't already have it bookmarked. When the results appear, click on the official Fiverr website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account so you can access your messages and start a call without interruptions. Once you're on Fiverr, look for the messages icon. You'll find it in the top navigation area of the site, usually represented by a chat bubble. Click that to open your inbox. This is where all your conversations live, and it's the central place for calling, sharing files, and keeping your communication organized. Next, open the message thread with the person you want to video call. Calls are initiated from within an existing conversation, so make sure you're selecting the right chat. If you have multiple ongoing projects, it helps to double-check the username and recent messages to confirm you're in the correct thread. Now, look toward the bottom of the conversation window in the Message Composer area. You should see a small video camera icon. Click that to start a Zoom call through Fiverr's built-in integration. Depending on your device and browser, you may be prompted to allow access to your microphone and camera. Go ahead and grant those permissions. You might also see a quick confirmation pop-up or a prompt to open Zoom. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once the call launches, you'll be in a Zoom meeting connected to your Fiverr chat, so everything stays within Fiverr's system. A few quick tips to make your call smooth. Check that your internet connection is stable, use headphones to reduce echo, and close noisy apps. Have any files or links you want to share ready in the chat so you can drop them in during the call. If you don't see the video icon, it may be due to account settings, location, or availability for that specific conversation. In that case, messaging within Fiverr to confirm availability is your best next move. That's it. Open Google, find Fiverr, go to your messages, open the relevant chat, and click the video icon to start your Zoom call. You're ready to meet face-to-face and keep your project moving.